Today we are going to discuss about MSc nursing program. The duration of the course is 2 years. Eligibility for PG nursing. Academic qualifications. Passing of BSc nursing, BSc honors nursing, post basic BSc nursing with the minimum of 55% aggregate marks from any university. Experience 1 year of experience in any hospital with an average bed strength of 100 inpatients, or in a recognized school of nursing, or in a community health center, or internship, or compulsory nursing service after registration with the Kerala Nursing Council on the date of notification of inviting application will be mandatory. So this is regarding PG admission in Kerala. Let us see the eligibility for MSc nursing program. The upper age limit for general candidates is 46 years, and for service candidates it is 49 years. Aim of the MSc nursing program in nursing is to prepare graduates to assume responsibilities as clinical nurse specialists in the concerned specialty, as nurse practitioners, consultants, educators, researchers, and administrators in a wide variety of professional settings. Let us see the objectives of the program. The first objective is to apply the concepts, theories, and principles of nursing science, demonstrate competencies in nursing practice, practice as a clinical nurse specialist, participate in health planning, implementation, and evaluation at different levels of healthcare system, function as effective nurse educators and nurse managers. Let us see the objectives. First objective is to function as effective nurse educators in nursing colleges and nurse managers in several healthcare settings. Second objective, incorporate evidence-based nursing practice and identify the areas of research in the field of nursing. Third point is demonstrate advanced skills and competence in the nursing management. Fourth objective is to function as a nurse specialist and practitioners. Specialties in MSc nursing: medical surgical nursing, child health nursing, mental health nursing, obstetric and gynecologic nursing, and community health nursing. In medical surgical nursing, there are different subspecialties. A. Cardiovascular and thoracic nursing. B. Critical care nursing, oncology nursing, neuroscience nursing, nephrourology nursing, orthopedic nursing, gastroenterology nursing. In first year MSc nursing, there are 4 subjects. Nursing education, theory is 150 hours and practical is also 150 hours. Here the student will have several practice teaching and she will become an educator after the nursing education course. In advanced nursing practice, this 150 hours theory and 500 hours of practical hours. Nursing research and statistics, 150 hours theory and 100 hours practical. These three subjects are common to all specialities. For nursing research and statistics, by 9th month of your admission, the students are required to submit the research proposal to the university for their dissertation work. The clinical specialty 1 will be according to the speciality chosen. If it is medical surgical nursing, it will be medical surgical nursing 1. If it is mental health nursing, it will be mental health nursing. If it is child health nursing, it will be child health nursing 1. The theory allotted is 150 hours and the practical is 900 hours. The student will be spending in their respective clinical specialty areas in first year MSc. Other 3 subjects are common to all specialities. The posting for particular speciality will be in their particular clinical specialty areas only for clinical specialty nursing 1. So let us see second year MSc nursing course outline. For second year MSc nursing, there are only 2 subjects, nursing management and clinical nursing specialty, and dissertation also. Dissertation, there is no theory. In the second year, the 300 hours is given for completing the research work, the dissertation work for data collection purpose, and submitting the final report of the research. For nursing management, 150 hours theory, and for practical 200 hours. Here the student will be exposed as training as a manager in the clinical area as well as in the education institutions. So after MSc nursing, one will be capable to be administrators in educational settings as well as in clinical settings. For clinical specialty 2, according to the specialty areas, if it is medical surgical nursing 2 and mental health nursing 2, child health nursing 2, like that. So they will be spending most of the time in the respective clinical specialty areas. 1150 practical hours is there. In various subspecialties of their specialty, they will spend in their practical hours. Theory 150 hours and 300 hours practical means dissertation work they will be doing in the second year only. So first year they will send the proposal of the research and will get accepted from the university. In the second year they will complete the research work. Let us see the scheme of examination of first MSc nursing. For first MSc nursing, there are 4 subjects to appear. First subject, nursing education, for 100 marks. 3 hours examination. There will also be practical for 100 marks. The candidate is asked to do practice teaching for a group of students and should be evaluated during the examination. And advanced nursing practice also, there is theory 3 hours, 100 marks. There is no practical for advanced nursing practice. For nursing research and status is also 3 hours examination, 100 marks. For clinical nursing specialty, 100 marks theory and 100 marks practical. For clinical specialty, nursing practical will be in their respective clinical specialty area. For medical surgical nursing, it will be in the medical surgical wards. And for mental health nursing, it will be mental health wards. And for child health nursing, it will be in the pediatric wards. Let us see the scheme of examination of second MSc nursing. For second MSc nursing, there will be nursing management for theory 3 hours, 100 marks, but there will not be any practical examination. For clinical specialty nursing, there will be theory for 100 marks and practical also for 100 marks. For nursing research and dissertation, along with the clinical specialty practicals, there will be dissertation evaluation and viva for 100 marks. So this examination. So with this examination, the course ends. So hope that the MSc nursing course is clear to you.